So the other day I tried to clean my windshield. It was raining, and I noticed that the windshield spraying from the nozzles, it's not that strong. It's only a little bit. So I opened the hood and I noticed a bunch of water over here. And then I noticed that this windshield tube is cracked. So yeah, you can replace the whole tube, but then you need to remove the wheel, the inner liner. It's a bunch of it's really not that fun of work. So what I did, just connected between these two tubes, and it's very easy. All you need is these kind of adapters. Is very cheap. Scissors and a small tube, the same kind you put in your refrigerator line for the water. And that's it. In my case, I used the straight connector. I cut a little bit of this old tube. It was brittle in the end, so I cut it a bit longer. I put this in the middle with a little bit of soap, so it goes smoother. And then I take my new tube that I cut to length and put it in place. And now it's working just fine. So I didn't catch the before of the spring from the nozzles, but here is the after the fix. As you can see, very good. I can drive in the winter with no problems. I hope you like this video. If it helped you, consider subscribing. And I'll see you guys, as always, in the next video.